Oh hey! Thank you for tuning in. My name is Janelle, also known as KraziiCurls, and this is my oldest, Callie. So today I will be styling her hair, and this style is super simple, nothing complicated, but you would have to know how to braid to achieve this exact style. However, if you don't know how to braid, you can definitely two-strand twist it, flat twist it, regularly twist it, and you're good to go. So as you saw, I had already added water and detangled her hair, and I'm going to use Uniqurl's 3-in-1 styler. I love this product not only for my hair but for her hair as well, because our hair is very similar. It keeps her hair moisturized, the style stays intact, and it smells good. So if you want to know what product this is, I'll leave a link down below. But also, just so you know, I have a discount for it, so I will also leave my discount code down below also if you are interested. So for this ponytail, all I'm doing is just adding a few two-strand twists, and you will see what the end result looks like in just a second. And this is what her twists look like, super nice and juicy. So for this front section, you're actually going to create 3 different parts, but I'm just showing you how I created this first part. Put away the section you're not working with, and for this first section, I'm just adding a little bit more product because again, her hair is on the drier side like mine, and I am braiding it. I do have a tutorial, I will leave a link down below in the description box, but I'm skipping over this part. And this is what the final results look like. The braids look fresh, they look clean, and I'm actually taking all 3 and I'm putting it into a bun. I wanted to create like of a flowery look. So after I put it up in a hair tie, you guys will see what I will do next. Add a nice bow and complete the look. But we're not done yet, at least I'm not. So I love to lay down her edges, and I'm using the same Uniqurl styler to do so. It does a great job of keeping her edges down, but since she's a kid, you know, running wild and stuff, they will get messed up eventually, but for now they look beautiful. And to add a pop, I'm using Gemini Naturals temporary color gel, vegan, cruelty free, in the color Midnight. And if you saw my finger coils video where I added this color to my tips, this was actually the same day, and I decided to add the color to it just because she really wanted me to do it. I think it's cute, I think it's fun, and it adds a little bit of a pop to her hair. That's her saying she loves it. We're not done yet. So all I'm doing now is just adding a little bit more just to the tips of her 2-strand twist, and that really completes this look. Like it?
I like it.
Do a little spin for them.
You look beautiful.
Thank you.
If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. I will catch you next time.